Have you ever wondered how real estate developers make money? Is it simply by buying land cheaply and selling it at a highest price? Or is there much more happening behind the scene? The truth is, selling land is only part of the business. Successful developers create value in different ways. Understanding this strategy can help you become a smarter property buyer, investor, or even an aspiring developer. In today's video, I'll review major ways real estate developers make real money in Nigeria. By the end of this video, you will understand why some estates become highly profitable while others struggle to succeed. Welcome to PropScope channel, Mission Beyond Properties. Let's dive right in. One is buying land at a strategic price. Every successful estate started with a small land acquisition. Developers don't just buy any land they find. They carefully research location with strong growth potential, places where new roads, airports, seaports, railways, university, or industrial projects are planned. Because these locations are still developing, land prices are actually much lower. Instead of buying one or two plots, developers often purchase dozens or even hundreds of acres directly from families, communities, or industrial landowners. Buying in bulk allows them to negotiate better prices. As developments reach the area, the value of that land increases significantly. Second one is adding value through infrastructure. Raw land has very little appeal to most buyers. That's why developers invest heavily in infrastructure like the roads, drainage system, electricity, gate housing, security, landscaping. This improvement transforms ordinary land into a desirable estate. As infrastructure improves, buyers become willing to pay much higher prices because they are purchasing more than land. Creating value through development is one of the biggest profit drivers in real estate. Third one is flexible payment plans. Many Nigerians cannot afford to pay land in one lump sum. To attract more buyers, developers offer instrumental payment plan ranging from 6 months to several years. For example, a plot that sells for 20 million in cash may cost 23 million on a 12-month plan. While buyers enjoy greater flexibility, developers earn additional income through the extended payment structure. This strategy can also expand the pool of potential customers, helping developers to sell more plots. As you have seen, successful real estate developers don't rely on just buying and selling land. They make money by buying land strategically, adding value through infrastructure, offering flexible payment plans. This strategy will help you identify developers who are creating real value, not just selling empty promises. If you found this video valuable, please like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. See you in the next one.